Introducing the Luca S58 by Profitec, our exclusive under-counter dual-boiler espresso machine. This innovative design is the result of years of collaboration with Profitec to create a first-of-its-kind machine that offers a truly unique combination of power and convenience. Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee. Let's take a look at the Luca S58. What you see on the countertop may feel familiar. Polished stainless steel, an E61 group head, steam, hot water, a PID. But the case only looks to be about the size of a single boiler. That's because the machine's rotary pump and water hookups are in their own case beneath your counter. This has never been done before, and the benefits become clear before you even pull your first shot. When you compare the Luca S58 to other dual-boiler E61 espresso machines with similar specs, you save a considerable amount of counter space. By storing some of the machine's largest components under your counter, the machine on your counter is surprisingly compact, while delivering all of the power and convenience you'd expect of a modern espresso machine. Putting the machine's already quiet rotary pump under your counter has the added benefit of making the machine absolutely silent. Since playing with the first prototype here in our Portland showroom, we found an inherent joy in getting so much power and capability from such a small machine. Somehow, it feels like cheating. Its 2-liter steam boiler, capable of 2 bar pressure as opposed to the usual 1.5, makes quick work of even large quantities of milk, and has enough capacity to serve a party while maintaining consistent pressure. It's certainly just as proficient in the brewing department. Profitec has always done a fantastic job of combining powerful heating elements with a PID and E61 group head to generate impressive performance. You can trust this machine to deliver consistent brew temp whether you're pulling one shot or a couple dozen. When direct plumbed, its E61 group head allows for manual pre-infusion, adding another layer of depth and control to your extractions. If you opt to use its large 4-liter removable reservoir, you'll find it provides enough water for days of shots at a time. When it comes to the details, we chose reliable components that just make us happy. We fitted the steam and hot water arms with joysticks for their snappy, responsive feel. The machine's white on black dual pressure gauge looks great and keeps the face of the machine uncluttered. Further, the Luca S58 comes with 2 of our favorite portafilters on the market. ECM's angled bottomless portafilter, with its counterbalanced handle, precise 20-gram basket, and durable Bakelite grip, as well as the matching ECM spouted portafilter. As home baristas ourselves, we're excited for you to get your hands on the S58. Whether you want a compact yet powerful machine, or one that combines cutting-edge tech with classic styling, we know you'll love it. I'd be glad to field your questions about the S58 in the comments below. If you're excited for this new machine, be sure to dial on the like button. For more in-depth videos and overviews, tap subscribe.